Okay, so hey guys, this is Rajvi and this is a short video where I'm gonna guide you how to install Node.js in your devices. So let's get started. So in my device, I'm having Windows. So there might be chances that you might be having Windows, Linux, or Mac OS on your devices. So if you are on Linux and Mac OS, you can open terminal. The rest of the steps are same. And if Windows, then open command line just like I am. Type node hyphen hyphen version. So it shows node is not recognized as an internal or external command. This means it's not installed in my PC. So let's start installing it. First, I'm gonna open the browser, search Node.js, and then download it. So there might be some confusion between these two versions. There are two versions, that is LTS and current. LTS stands for long-term support and is recommended for most of the users as it's written. You can download it according to your OS. That is, mine is Windows, so I'm gonna download Windows installer. One thing that I wanna tell you is the current version contains the latest features, but they might be for experimental purposes. So I won't recommend installing if you are beginners. So just download LTS, and if you are on Linux, then download x64, that's 64-bit, and if Mac OS, then download this package file, or if you are a Windows user, then you can download depending upon your architecture, that is 32 or 64-bit. I have downloaded. Let's open it and install it. That's simple. Click on next and accept the terms, and next. And if you want to install Chocolatey, then you can check that. Otherwise, I don't want that. So click next, install, and then click on yes. It will install its parts. Okay, so yeah, now it's completed. And now let's open the command line and check if it's installed or not. So type the command node hyphen hyphen version. So it will run and show this is the version 12.18.0. And you might want to check something else too, that is npm, which is installed with node. You can check by the command node npm version hyphen hyphen version and press enter, and you might see npm is also installed. So that's it. This is how you can install node. And thanks for watching, and I'll be back with you in the next video.